Yung taong laging naglilinis ng bahay kahit hindi naman kailangan maglinis, hayaan mo lang sila. Coping mechanism yan. Minsan hindi sila OC, hindi sila bored, hindi sila walang magawa. Maybe they are tired, maybe they're angry, maybe they are frustrated, maybe they're mourning something they can't even explain. Maybe they're thinking deeply about life. Yung iba pag stress sumisigaw, yung iba nagagalit, yung iba nagsha-shopping, yung iba biglang nagta-travel. Pero may mga tao na ang coping nila, nag-aayos, nagdi-declutter, naglilinis ng kusina, inaayos yung cabinet, pinupunasan yung mesa kahit hindi madumi. Kasi minsan kapag magulo ang isip mo, ang pinakakaya mong kontrolin yung paligid mo. Habang nagwawali sila, nagpa-process sila. Habang nag-aayos sila ng gamit, inaayos din nila yung thoughts nila. Habang nagdi-declutter sila, unti-unti nilang binibitawan yung bigat sa puso at sa isip nila. Hindi lahat ng breakdown maingay. May mga taong tahimik lang pero ang lalim ng pinagdadaanan. So, be gentle. Huwag mo agad sabihin ang arte mo naman o ano na naman yan. Or relax ka lang. Minsan ang kailangan lang nila ay space at kaunting understanding. Because healing doesn't always look dramatic. Sometimes it looks like a clean kitchen at 10 p.m. At kung ikaw yung ganitong tao, okay lang yan. You're not weird, you're regulating yourself the best way you know how. Just make sure habang nililinis mo yung bahay, huwag mong kalimutan alagaan din yung puso mo, yung isip mo, and yung spirit mo.